Okay, what we're going to do here is add a new email flow into Salesforce. So this is really just a way of sending emails automatically. So on the gear icon, we click Setup, and that opens into a new tab, which I have open already. In the quick find box, just search for flows. Underneath the process automation, that's the one that we need. That'll show you the different flows we have. In the top right corner, we want a new flow here. Again, that opens up into a new page to the flow builder, and you'll see the different types of flows you can have. So for this example, we'll use a record triggered flow. So click create in the right hand corner, and as it's a trigger one, we need to set up the trigger first. So we'll just have this to be every time a lead is created. So for that, we'll just search in the object for leads, and then we'll leave it as the record is created. We don't need any condition requirements. So for that, we'll just click save, and I'll save it as new lead email 1. That'll automatically fill. Now once that's saved, here underneath the play icon, you'll click on the action, the little plus symbol. For this, under interaction, we want the action in order to send the email. So search all actions, search send email. Now you want to name that as well, new lead email 1. And then from there you can just select the different ones you want. So if you've got an email template that you want it to follow, you can include it here. Same with the body and all of the different people that you actually want it to be sent to as well. So just fill that information out as you need, and then once you've done that, just click done.